To possess or own. Have a car, have a house, have a dog, have a job. She has a car and drives it every day. They have a house in the countryside. To experience or undergo. Have a headache, have a cold, have an accident, have a dream. I have a headache after working for hours. He had a cold last week, but is feeling better now. To hold or contain. Have a bottle, have a glass, have a box, have a bag. She has a bottle of water on the table. I have a box full of old books in the attic. To take or receive. Have a break, have lunch, have a meeting, have a party. Let's have a break before continuing the work. We had lunch together at the new cafe. To cause or induce. Have an effect, have an impact, have a reaction, have a result. The new policy has an effect on employee productivity. The medicine had a positive reaction on him. To be obliged to or required to have to do something, have to go, have to work, have to leave. I have to go to the meeting at 3 p.m. She had to leave early because of an emergency. To be in possession of a certain condition or situation. Have a problem, have a question, have a chance, have an opportunity. He has a problem with his computer. We had the chance to travel to Japan last year. To be the subject of a certain activity. Have a baby, have a wedding, have a birthday, have an interview. They had a baby last month. She had an interview for the job yesterday. Common collocations with have. Have a look, have fun, have a good time, have a say, have a go. I had a look at the report. We had fun at the amusement park. She always has a say in the decision-making process. I'm going to have a go at solving this puzzle.